All right, here we've got a, I believe this is a J&M bed, but it's 7 feet wide and 10 feet long, and I'm sure it's a J&M bed. So we sold the gear. The guy wanted to gear up underneath this one, and so if you look in here, it has been patched, but they did a pretty nice job. So there's a patch right there. There's a patch right down here, somewhere I saw, right here. It's kind of been welded. It's a decent old wagon. The door works good. It's got the chute right on it. It's got the holder on the chute. Door works really decent. It does have wood runners. And you are going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction. It's a J&M 250-7, I believe, is what the model number would be. But I don't think there's any numbers, serial numbers on it.